Yeah, like ukuthi you know but when we're united ne we're strong ne, but so many branches as a ministry, and you sometimes you'll hear like lento engizoyikhuluma, it's controversial, but you'll hear ukuthi this ministry break away from, for example, a pool of Bethesda or kuphi kwaba ne one God or any out of differences within, the cabinet yesonto. So like this breaking away or many competition of ministries ayenzi the Christian faith system to be wicked, like it be weak and to be divided, and because like we must be honest, like Christianity is others bathi futhi asine religion that exists, like it's so weak, it's so I see a case now yokuthi it's because there are a lot of I mean, like you'll never hear branches as a Muslim or branches
seyifana njenge politics.
yeah.
Christianity vele is like politics. I-ANC ne-DA ne-EFF sonkatha and nani ningabafundisi or ningabaholi anihlali phansi, even thina sigcina sesingena endabeni zenu singekho aware. We understand uthola ukuthi siselokishini sonke, for example uthola ukuthi mina angiyi esontweni elithize but asisibonana thina singabazalwane but thina abafundisi bethu abazwani. That thing makes us nathi ama-followers wakaNkulunkulu sigcina thina singazwani. We understand kusuka kuyenziwa yini lokho mfundisi?
I think ilento ngishilo false doctrine number 1, umunye umuntu nomuntu une personal agenda behind, because
asicela uchazela ama-viewers ukuthi yini i-doctrine.
Okay, i-doctrine into ukuthi umuntu uza ne-doctrine yakhe uziqalela into kungukuthi it's not from God.
Okay.
Into eyakho le ayiqhamuka kuNkulunkulu. Hence why ubhutbekisisa bekasaveza indaba kaPhilip ngalesa sikhathi umoya kaNkulunkulu umholela to go and baptize that man ayomshumayeza. Ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu onomoya kaNkulunkulu akazenzeli into yakhe, yenza into ngokuthi uyithunywe uNkulunkulu. So that is why ubona amabandla ahlukahlukene phakathi, ingoba okunye kwenziwa abantu. Kahle ibandla is not in the will of God ukuthi ibandla lisplit kube nalamabandla ahlukahlukene. Ibandla amakhulunywa ibandla bekhulunywa ngebandla lika Jesu elizelo uJesu elilodwa, not this different spaza shops church, ngoba mawuthujika ngale naya Leg of Christ Ministries, Hand of Christ Ministries. Uyayibona nikela faka imali uzobona ministries, that's not in line with God. But the church of God is reunited, it's one in God. Hayi lamagama ama-doctrine labantu abeza ngamagama wabo, this is my church, ibandla lika Jesu.
Manje awungitshela mfundisi, ikhona lento ukuthi umuntu like umuntu uzwani mabamthintawo esontweni.
Thank you so much.
Naleke mfundisi nje abantu sebathandazelwa ngamatswayi ke manje sekukuningi nje
special oil
ama-vaseline njani.
Good question. Into engiyaziyo mina, uJesu yena ophilisayo, akusi oil ephilisayo, akulona itswayi eliphilisa umuntu. So ilento ngishilo ngathi umuntu oza ngedoctrine yakhe always une agenda behind ukuthi lento ayenzayo uyenzela because ufuna ukugain something. Number 1, how do you sell a salt for abantu abadinga uNkulunkulu, abadinga usizo likaNkulunkulu, whereas you have to preach Christ abantu basindiswe?
Angisho basuke bamelapha bathi bafuna imisebenzi, bafuna imishado.
There's no way. Umshado umsebenzi izinto ezibuya kuNkulunkulu ngomusa, but awuthengiswa umshado, awuthengwa umshado. I think kunalento ukuthi abantu we need to understand ukuthi into zikaThixo ziyalindwa. Uma uya lapha kuMshumayeli chapter 3 ithi konke kunesikhathi sakho. Now ithi khona isikhathi sokutshala, khona isikhathi sokusiphula, khona isikhathi sokuphonsa amatshe, khona isikhathi sokuxoxa amatshe, khona isikhathi sokudabuka, khona isikhathi sokuthunga. Kusho ukuthi yonke into empilweni uNkulunkulu ayenzile uyenze ngesikhathi sakhe.
My generation yethu lena ayinayo ipatience.
That is why vele uqinisile ubhutbekisisa. That is why if you read in the book of Hosea lithi iBhayibheli abantu bayabhubha ngenxa yokuswela ulwazi. So yabona, if you lack knowledge therefore you perish. Because number 1, insindiso bafethu asikhulumeni, gospel of God is for free. You don't pay money to be born again. You don't pay money for healing. You don't pay money for a marriage. Konke lokho kufika ngesikhathi sikaNkulunkulu. A true messenger of God akahambe heha abantu ngokuthi athengisela abantu lezi zinto ayenze zonke lezi zinto because of ubheka imali. That is why
extra income.
Yes, abanye abantu nowadays they don't even take indaba ensindiso seriously.
Yeah,
because kumoshekile. Uyabona
mfundisi
yes.
Abanye they will tell you ukuthi uNkulunkulu bekapholisa ngamanzi. uNkulunkulu bekathatha ini apholisa ngayo. So nabo they are saying they are using those things because of zikhona eBhayibhelini. So ba wrong kanjani because of basebenzisa the very same some they are using the very same method ngaphandle kwalaba bebadlisa abantu utshani namaduma but abanye they will tell you ukuthi water is in the Bible, salt is in the Bible. So naloko ku wrong ukuthi bayabathengisela or ku wrong ukuthi lisebenziswe.
Yazi angiphiki ngiyayivuma abo matswayi nama oil izinto ezikhona eBhayibhelini. But it was for that time ngicabanga ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi uNkulunkulu for that time it was not something ebekufanele vele igcile ibikhona.
Okwakuyindlela kahle kahle yokuloku kusondeza umuntu uNkulunkulu up until Christ.
Yeah, because we remember lezi zinto eziqalena ku Old Testament. Ku Old Testament uzothola ngesikhathi sabapriest. Ngelesa sikhathi sabapriest there was no Christ. There's pillar under the law. It was not under the grace. I-grace sifumana mase sifika la ku New Testament mase kuvela ixesha lapho uNkulunkulu eyambula uJesu. You understand? Ngoba ngesikhathi sabapriest ku Old Testament ukuze umuntu athethelele izono zakhe bekufanele kuslotharishwe eship. So makuzohlatshwa lemvu leyo kumele umpriest athathelele igazi ayongena ethempelini. Kunele ndawo ekuthiwa the Holy of Holies. So umpriest akakwazi uqala ukungena kwayena ethempelini ayobika izono zabantu on behalf of ama-Israelites engazange aqala ahlambuluke. Now kufanele bamfase lana kube nechain emdonsayo makazofika ku altar number 1. Now that was the isikhathi sabapriest. So uNkulunkulu wayebona lento ukuthi abantu bona njalo and isono somuntu siyanda njalo and always ichitheka igazi lemvimvu nelenkukhu. Therefore safumana umusa ku Old Testament, ku New Testament ngokuthi uNkulunkulu athumele uJesu ezosifela kwaba kanye kuphela ngegazi lakhe. That is why lithi iBhayibheli lona lo okholwa uyena akabhubhi kepha uba nokuphila okuphakade.
So mfundisi is it possible ukuthi umuntu angabi nesin like aphile nje perfectly so like njengo the way uJesu aphila ngakhona isono nje awunaso nje wena, is it possible
uphile perfect? Number 1 ngifuna ukuyilungisa la, no one is perfect. We need to understand that. But ivangeli salitholayo is the gospel of grace. Safumana ivangeli lomusa. And ivangeli lomusa salithola kuJesu ilona lasikhulula ezonweni. Awukwazi ukuthi ususindise usumazi uKristu usumamkele bese uphinda ube yisoni. Cause igazi lika Jesu lenza umsebenzi opheleleyo bafowethu. And asikho isidingo sokuthi ubuyele back uyolanda izinto zakudala wandlula kuzo kanti wathethelelwa.
I know. Iyazwakala babukeli emakhaya, viewers at home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Gospel Gear Shift podcast. This is where we are bringing God at the center of attention in everything that we're doing. Yes, in everything that we're doing and in every relationship that we engage on and in every journey that we are embarking on. Mfundisi wami sibonga kakhulu ukuthi you have been with us. And before we close, as the culture yala ekhaya besicela nje usivalele with a powerful message as the week is going to be starting. Ukuthi usho ukuthi this is the message from God.
Ngithanda nje ukubonga kakhulu ngizosho ukuthi kubalalele ekhaya in the book of Romans chapter 8 verse 1. Kunomuntu ohleli lapha ekhaya, you have condemned yourself. You feel being condemned. You feel being rejected. But ngithanda into uMpostoli Paul uthi akusekho ukulahla kwaba kuKristu. That is chapter 8 verse 1, Romans 8 verse 1. Ngithanda ukuthi kubalaleli uma usukuKristu akusekho ukulahlwa. You are born again. And don't condemn yourself. You are still a child of God. God loves you no matter what. So ngithanda ukuthi abalaleli bazi ukuthi uJesu weze emhlabeni ezofela thina sonke. Whether righteous unrighteousness.